of the Deputy Minority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President.
Senator Lacson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. With the permission of the gentleman from San Juan and the distinguished lady from Iloilo, what you're trying to, my question first, Mr. President, is at what point during the budget deliberations of the 2025 budget was the 74 billion realigned to other items from the PhilHealth funds? By CAM, House version, or Senate version?
Your Honor, Mr. President, sa House version po, nandun po, pero mas nabawasan sa atin ng konti, bahagya. Pero doon po sa BICAM talagang nawala
Mas
na.
malaki. How much was realigned in the House version? And how much was realigned under the Senate version? And how much was realigned in the BICAM?
From what I remember, Your Honor, Mr. President, doon sa Senate version, nasa 43 billion pa, no?
Ang na-realign.
Ang natira.
Ang natira.
Apo.
Out of the 74 billion.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Tapos nung BICAM, doon nga lang po na nawala na talaga.
Okay. So, yung GAA is a general law. Correct.
That is correct.
And sin tax law is a special law.
That is correct.
And any lawyer will tell you, or any member of Congress will tell you that a general law cannot amend a special law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr. President.
In other words, what the Senate did and what the House did was illegal.
Your Honor, Mr. President, that's already nasa subject na ho yun siguro
Alam
sa
ko
Supreme
po,
Court.
tinatanong ko lang. Alam ko nasa Supreme Court. And we're just discussing, dapat alam natin, hindi natin pinayagan, kasi alam nating the GAA, being a general law, cannot amend a special law, which is the sin tax law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr.
Kasi
President.
naka-earmark yan under the sin tax law.
Tama po. Yung
So bakit nakalusot po sa Senate?
Yung sin tax law at yung sa PCSO, sa PAGCOR, lahat po yun ay naka-earmark dapat talaga.
Yun nga ang tanong ko po. Paano nakalusot ito sa House? May mga abogado ron. Sa Senate, may mga abogado. Paano po nakalusot na effectively inamend ng GAA yung special law?
Yun nga po, Mr. President.
You may not answer, Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Lacson.
Salamat, Mr. President. By way of closing